let me see if I can capture the trees doing the old twisty twist out here.